vectors using triangle law. Let's assume that I want to subtract b from a, that is I want to perform this a minus b. So what are the steps to use the triangle law? I'll just retain a as such, and I'll find out what that minus b is. B is already given to me. Minus b is nothing but the negative of the given vector. So clearly it is in the opposite direction. Magnitude is same. Now I will move the vector b or minus b such that the head of, that is the tail of a, sorry, the head of a and the tail of b sit at the common point. That means if you look at it, this is a, the tail of this minus b, the tail of minus b will sit on the head of a. This is what your triangle tells. Then the closing side of this triangle is here, and this is nothing but vector a minus vector b. Vector a minus vector b is obtained like this using the triangle law.